Hello, miracle workers! Welcome to another special episode of Unlocking Miracles, Janaji's Guide to Life, Love, and Leadership. And for today's episode, I have invited somebody special. He is an educator, an outstanding teacher here in the Philippines and in the United States of America, who have ventured the world of online business. Friends, help me welcome a good friend who I met recently to this podcast, Marvin. Coach Marvin, how are you, Coach Marvin?
Oh, hi, Coach Janice. Thank you for inviting me. It's an honor. Madam Uwid nga salamat.
Yes,
I'll speak my native language.
yes. Coach Marvin
Thank
is
you.
you're now based in
Yeah, I just stay
Bacolod,
at home. Yeah, dito sa
Bacolod,
Negros.
right?
Sa Negros,
In
Negros
Negros.
Occidental. Yes.
Yes. Oo. So for what are you grateful for today, Marvin?
Oh, I'm grateful as always for the gift of life, and for being here with you, having the opportunity to share, some breakthroughs and miracles I had in my life.
Yes, excited ako marinig yan, no? So for those who are first time here in this podcast, our objective really is to share miracle stories because we want to spread inspiration, positivity, especially during the times na medyo low tayo, maraming mga nangyayaring hindi maganda sa paligid natin, no? So that's our goal and contribution. And so I have thought of inviting Marvin because I am inspired by his story. We met actually in an event, no, and we both journeyed together in terms of online business, no, so
Right?
business digitalization. So we'll talk about more that later. So yeah,
Mhm.
Marvin, question, can you give us a brief background? Bakit ka napunta sa mundo ng education? Is this something
Yeah.
that you have been really wanting to do, or meron ka ba ibang plans before but it was pushed aside and you were led to this profession?
Actually, education is not my first course, Coach Janish. I really hate
Oh,
doing teaching since my mom is a school head. And I took up nursing for 2 years actually. Nag-nursing ako. And then after 2 years, I think hindi ko gusto ang profession na nakuha ko. So eventually, I decided to shift to education. At yun, doon
mm,
nagsimula ang journey ko being a teacher. And I realized I love teaching, I love educating students, and inspiring them to become a better version of themselves. Yeah, so
yeah. What's the best part of being a teacher? Ito ba
yeah,
yung
it's about
pagka-December nakaka-receive ka ng mga regalo?
no, that's just, it's not about the gift actually. It's about, the impact I had to the students and how I made a difference in their lives and changing their perspective to become a better version of themselves. I think that's the best part, you become unforgettable and the life you impact, it's beyond money. Yeah, that's the happiness I'm
Yes,
getting from yeah, from that.
priceless. I would have definitely agree with that. It's priceless. Yung mabago mo, no, magkaroon ka ng ambag dun sa transformation
Right?
nung tinuruan mo, nung estudyante mo, no. Probably baka
Yes.
makalimutan niya pangalan mo, but yung how you made them feel about themselves, 'di ba? Nung nabigay
I
mo sa
agree.
kanilang, 'di ba, contribution mo sa kanila in terms of kasi yung knowledge kasi I believe, 'di ba, hindi naman siya tumatatak talaga eh. It's
True.
more of yung nabigyan mo sila ng importansya,
Mm-hmm.
confidence, no? Yun yung mas
Right.
tumatatak sa mga students. Kahit naman siguro ikaw nung bata ka, 'di ba? Nung naging estudyante ka. And even now, you're also I heard that you're also into nagma-masteral ka naman, second masteral mo na 'to. So,
Yes, I'm taking up.
forever
Yeah.
student ka talaga.
I love learning actually, and then applying what I've learned in the process. Yeah.
Okay, sige. So excited. Ano, Marvin, yung mga ikukwento mo sa amin ng mga miracle stories? Sige, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, it's totally different, especially I tried venturing online business, which is totally different from my background being a teacher, but I enjoy doing it because I love challenging myself. and getting to know great mentors like, Master Bryle, Master JM, and Master JP. Yeah, I've realized that, hey, I can do this too. With their guidance and building my foundation, especially business foundation, marketing foundation, and sales foundations. And there's only three things I've learned, and I'm working on it, to apply that in my life as well as a business owner and entrepreneur. So the first miracle I had is, clarity of your niche and offer. Kasi, like at first, I don't know who's my target market are, you
Ah,
know? And then in the process, I've learned before I start any business, I have to know what I really wanted. Who are the people I want to serve?
yeah.
Confused minds don't buy, clear messages convert. So I need to have clarity first as to who I am as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, and who do I want to help, and what problem I want to solve, and how to solve it. So I'm working on it. And as an educator and former OFW, I'd like to really serve and help my fellow OFWs, by starting an online business and my fellow educators as well. So that's the first one. I need to have clarity as to what I really wanted. That's the first one. Yeah. And
Oh,
then the second
nice.
one,
So before you share about the first one, I could totally
uh-huh,
relate to what you
uh-huh,
shared, no? Kasi being also in business for the past 15 years, parang feeling ko kahit sino pwede ko maging kliyente pagdating sa life insurance. But I realized that not everybody can really be your client. No, you
right.
can only serve people na aligned kayo, no, in
Mm-hmm,
terms of yung nabanggit mo profession, so nakaka-relate sila sa pinagdadaanan mo, ikaw din nakaka-relate, no, so baka probably that's your that's why you pick them as your niche market.
mm-hmm,
Parang you speak the same language, and also it's
right.
important also to choose kung pareho rin kayo ng values, 'di ba? And pareho
Yes,
rin kayo
yes.
ng kumbaga ng yung vision ninyo
Mm-hmm,
in terms of 'di ba? Parang yun yung mga bagay din na you have to look into when you are getting clients. No? So
right.
very
That's really
very nice
powerful.
sharing.
Yeah, when you mention about values, I'm really big on values, Coach Janice, because more than the finances and the financial success that you'll be getting, it starts with respect and trust, especially in doing business, like what we're doing. So once the values are aligned, everything flows naturally at ang bilis lang,
Mm,
ang bilis lang. So yun talagang
totoo.
pinapahalagan ko, the values.
Yes. So what's your second story?
Oh yeah, huh? The second one I've learned in this journey, actually it's really tough, especially as an educator and bilang bago sa field ng business. Like I'm working on it until now, how I build authority and trust online, how people will trust me since hindi pa talaga ako kilala eh. I'm just starting and I'm working on that. But I'm grateful to have mentors and, be surrounded by great, entrepreneurs like yourself. And yeah, I have to build my authority, and that is by giving values to people. I mean, value to people and yeah, because we know for certain people don't buy from strangers. They buy from those
Mm.
they trust. So I have to build that trust. And I'm really grateful that we have this opportunity to share our ideas and have this conversation. So that's the one. I have to build first my authority and, the trust of my target markets. So it's a
Yeah.
process and it takes time. But I know I'm
Yeah.
gonna get there.
So I know your background kasi Marvin, no? So si Marvin kasi hindi siya ma-social media. Tama ba, Marvin?
Yes,
So in fact,
before.
no, na taon before deciding na you would go into online business, hindi ka talaga ma-social media, hindi ka nagpo-post ng
Mm-mm.
mga activities mo, 'di ba? So how difficult what it is for you to transition from somebody na who was hiding in the online world, and now you are doing daily Facebook Live. 'Di ba? Your
Not really
daily, or
daily.
ano yun, live ba yun or recorded yung
No,
napapanood
I
ko na
just
eh.
record it. I just record it.
Ah,
I don't
okay.
feel like doing it live. Ang hirap. Actually, ang hirap because, I have to get out of my comfort zone. I'm really a private person. I'm not fond of really like posting my life out there. But
Mm.
since I have to build my authority and, gain the trust of my target market, I really have to face that fear. So another thing, if you're venturing the world of business, you really have to get out of your comfort zone.
Yeah.
You have to do things you're not comfortable because you cannot get a result, the same result, by doing the same thing again and again. So with this I tried building my rapport with my audience by doing that Facebook, the recorded videos, and post it online.
Yeah. So, how was it so far, yung journey? Meron naman bang mga nag-i-engage sa'yo? Mga ganyan.
Yeah, there are people who likes it, and then they comment, and yeah, it's a process, and they get to know who I am. Yeah, it's a process, and I'll
Yeah.
still do it, but I kind of use different approach,
Yeah.
para
Just
experiment.
do it. Yun lang ang approach dyan. Just do it. Don't do it for the results. Hindi, kasi minsan you get frustrated. Ako kasi noon before, I
Hmm.
also do daily Facebook Live naman. Every 9 p.m., I called it Live Life to the Fullest. So
Hmm.
meron akong ganon, Facebook Live for about 10 minutes. I would go live and then I would share kung ano yung nangyari sa araw ko. Kasi I was promoting
Oh,
intentional living during the pandemic. Kasi di ba yung mga tao maraming
right.
namamatay na, di ba?
Uh-huh.
Nagkakasakit, di ba? So parang I was really, sabi ko, enough na yung ano, yung living a life that is a lie. Meaning, you're living a life that is for others, not for yourself. No?
Hmm.
So, ganun ako, ano, and then so, I was promoting values and all that. It was a challenge, kasi there were times na parang you're not feeling well, there's brownout,
Uh-huh.
but you still have to show up daily, di ba? Because it's a
Right.
commitment. So, I wanna
Hmm.
honor you, Marvin, for your dedication. Nakailang days ka na ba sa ginagawa
Thank
mo?
you. Like I've been doing it for like almost 2 weeks now.
2 weeks now.
2 weeks.
Yeah, keep
And I'll
going.
be honest. I'll be honest with you. Sometimes I have fear, what they gonna say. Like he sounds
Judgment.
awkward, maybe trying hard or what. But I assess my core, my values. Ano ba talagang intention ko why I'm doing this? Is it to please my audience?
Yeah.
To really like just gain likes or what? Or there's more than that. No, at the end of the day, I realized that I just have to be true to what my purpose is. And that is, to give value and to share and to inspire. It doesn't matter if maraming mag-like or what, I reach a point in my life that I'm done with external validation. I've learned that I have to be firm with what I want, as long as what I want is aligned with my value, and at the same time it contributes something to humanity, the something that will inspire them, will make them realize that, hey, I should try doing this, like overcoming your fear, living with consistency and self-discipline. So those are the stuff I'm, sharing in my
So,
uh in my
yeah, so for the
Facebook
benefit of our
videos.
viewers, ano yung mga topics that usually you discuss in your live, in your mga videos?
Yeah, it's actually more on like, life coaching as well. Because I learn as an
Mm.
educator, before I start doing any business, I want to inspire and I want to provide value by educating as well. Because that's my passion, to educate and to inspire. So I talked about like how to overcome your fear. Those are just short videos. And then how to have self-discipline, and I'm still building my content. I do my research, and yeah, sometimes I do it spontaneously. But yeah, so
Yeah,
yun ang mga
yes.
topics ko.
Oo. Even if their knowledge is like general, there's
Mm-hmm.
always something unique in the things that we share because we can always come from our background. Diba? Yung
Mm-hmm.
experiences natin that will make it unique to you. Kasi 'di ba,
Right.
you can talk about fear, getting out of your comfort zone, but what
Mm-hmm.
a lot of people are doing that already, but what will make it unique is your own story. By telling your own
Right.
story, your own journey. So, yeah, keep on sharing, no? Kasi I'm sure yung mga nakaka-resonate sa'yo, yan na yung mga initial followers mo.
Yeah, I'm working on it. And yeah,
Yes.
thank you, Coach Janice.
Okay. Okay. So, ano, meron ka pa bang gustong ikwento?
Yeah,
You have
maybe just the
another.
last one. Just never give up, no matter what. Yeah, and I stick to that principle because there are times I'm losing my motivation. I'm not getting the result that I want right away. So one breakthrough I had is to never give up. Just keep on doing, what you think is, helping you or benefiting you in the future, but never ever give up despite of some criticisms and some challenges. So yeah, just don't give up because eventually all our hard work will be paid off.
Hmm.
That's the last one.
Yeah. I think it is easy to throw in the towel and to give up. But if you're
Mm-hmm.
really clear into why are you doing this, parang isa yun sa mga factors that will really keep you going. No? Just like what I'm doing here in Unlocking Miracles,
Mm-hmm.
people are, parang there are people who are saying na, oh, okay, I'm inspired by what you're doing, keep it going. But there are also people who are saying na parang it's a waste of time. Parang,
Mm-hmm.
para saan ba yan? Parang gano'n, wala ka namang kikitain dyan, di ba? Wala namang
Mm-hmm.
yan, income generation yan for you. Might as well devote your time na lang into activities that will give you money, will give you resources that you need. But I always believe na in the law of reciprocity, that
Right.
that just keep on giving and adding value to other people, and the Lord and the world will just reward you for all your efforts. Diba?
Right. I
And
agree. I agree.
when you said that never giving up, I think one of the key factors that allows you to not give up easily is the environment.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Yung
That's
environment. Yung
true.
when you are surrounded by people who have parang kasing ano mo rin, kapareho mo rin
Right.
ng in terms of, diba? Kasi
Uh-huh. The
kung,
mindset and the
yeah, di ba?
values,
Kasi,
right?
they understand what you are doing, and that they're there for you to support you sa journey mo. It's
Mm-hmm.
not, it's not, giving up is out of the question. Parang hindi mo
Right.
na siya di ba? Hindi mo na siya
Right. It's not an
iisipin.
option. It's not
Or
an
is that
option.
an option? Yes, yes. It's not an
Right.
option totally, because yung mga kasama mo, yung environment mo,
Right.
whether you're in the education space, in the health and wellness space, that's something that I realized in lately. Parang if you really want to achieve something in life, you have to really change your environment.
Mm-hmm.
Kumbaga, if you wanna be good in online business, then kailangan yung mentors mo, yung mga kasama mo that you engage with are also good in online business, or else you're bound
That
to
is so
fail
true.
what you
That
want to
is
do,
true.
'di ba?
I agree.
So nakakatuwa naman. So, for those na hindi masyadong familiar, in what aspect ba yung business mo ngayon, Marvin, are you focusing on? You're helping mga
Yeah, my target
teachers,
markets are really like
OFWs,
OFWs,
okay,
OFWs who want to start online business and educators here and abroad, that
okay,
they want to start an online business. It's more on joint venture brokerage where,
okay.
we're gonna help them start their own online business. But if they don't have one, they already have one, we're gonna help them how to digitalize their business. And I
So
also
in
have accident
aspect that
insurance.
they like yung kanilang expertise, i-digitalize ninyo. Ganun ba?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
And in collaboration with the Digital Masters Philippines as well. Yeah.
Okay, yes. Oo. Yan.
And I
So,
also have,
mag-batchmate kami niyan ni Marvin sa Digital Master Philippines. And we're
right,
actually one of the support coaches because we're batch one, number one.
right. And yeah, I'm really thankful for that, experience. And I've learned a lot and I'm applying it one at a time. That way I will not be overwhelmed. And also, I'm doing online insurance too, like accident insurance. Yeah,
Hmm.
another business for
Okay.
OFW. So I have two business going on right now, two businesses going on.
Yeah, that's good to know na you're really helping our fellow OFWs kasi they're considered as our bagong bayani, di ba?
Right,
The way that they are
because
the ones bringing in dollars into
mm-hmm,
our economy. And then at the same time, 'di ba? They're really making a lot of sacrifices to be away from their
Right.
family just to earn money. And hopefully with the initiative that you're doing, they can finally come home and be with
Right,
their
that's my
family, no?
vision. That's my bigger vision, actually, to help OFWs to go back home and start their own sustainable online business. That way they can spend quality time with their family, not being away, and be sustainable on their own. That's it. Yan ang bigger goal ko talaga for
Wow.
OFWs.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you for doing that. And I know you have to make some sacrifices for you to do that vision, 'di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Kasi kailangan mong, I mean, ano pa rin ba, plan mo pa rin bang bumalik ng Amerika? Do you have plans pa?
I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Actually, like I'm enjoying my journey right now, with all of this that's happening with business, taking my master's and doing some online stuff. And I don't know yet. Only God knows. I'm just taking it one day at a time,
One day at a
you know?
time. Yeah.
Yeah,
So let it flow.
right?
Let it flow. But of course, kumbaga, you're setting your intentions naman so that you
hmm
are well guided naman by the creator.
Right.
So yeah, thank you. So any final words that you wanna leave to our viewers in terms of
Yeah.
your advocacy? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, first and foremost, thank you guys for taking the time to be with us and listen. And there's only one thing I want to say before I leave or that is just to never give up and know your intentions so well. What do you want exactly in life? Because if you know your intention, you know your goals, and break it down into smaller pieces and work hard for it as well, you're gonna get there. It
Mhm.
everything takes time, but as long as you know where you're going and you have the right support from mentors and the right community, it's really critical. So have that in place, right support, right community, right intention, and of course pray to our God, because everything is given by God to us. Without God, we're nothing. So that's it. Hopefully, yeah, you learned
Yes,
something from
yeah.
that.
So, yeah, feel free to get in touch. How could they get in touch with you, Marvin?
Oh yeah, they can find me on Facebook. Like, look for my name, Marvin Nacionales. That's my name in Facebook. And yeah, they can or Coach uh Marvin Connect. Yeah, I kind of made that name because I'm still building my name. Coach Marvin Connect, something like that.
So you're on
Yeah, that's
Facebook.
my
Do you
name.
have any platforms you're on? Like, do you have LinkedIn, Instagram?
Yeah, I have my LinkedIn too. And yeah,
You have
they can find
LinkedIn,
my name. Just look for Marvin Nacionales. I'm available in LinkedIn. I have Instagram, but mostly I'm using Facebook
Facebook.
for my content and where I
Okay.
do my business.
Yeah. And follow nyo si Marvin. Yung kanyang videos are very inspiring kasi you'll pick a thing or two dun sa mga ano niya, sa mga sinishare niya. So,
Thank
yeah,
you, Coach
that's it.
Janice. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for your time. I really appreciate you and all the best in your journey. And just know that I'm here for you.
Thank
Anything,
you.
any support that you need, just reach out to me. And this is my way of supporting you so that the people would know all about what you're doing right now. So for those who are watching us right now for the very first time, we encourage you to share this. If you were blessed with this episode, please share this to a friend or a family member so that they too will be blessed. And my encouragement for you is to continue to unlock more miracles in your life and be a blessing to more people. Cheers and see you in the next episode.
All
Bye.
right. Thank you, Coach Janice. Bye-bye.